Sublimation is as popular as ever these days, and yet, what if I told you that you can now make sublimation designs by hand? Watch this. Print a design, pop it under this sublimation paper, and, wait for it, use sublimation pens to trace the design. That's right, sublimation pens. And they come in a nice range of colors to get your creative juices flowing. Of course, you can just go freehand if you like, nothing stops you. Now, once the design is done, bring it over to the heat press and press it. Just look at that. The colors just pop. And also, to our amazement, we were able to reuse the design 4 times without degradation. The new sublimation colored pens open up a world of possibilities in the sublimation world. In fact, we decided to attempt a possible first: signature sublimations. We took a photo of a signature, then flipped the image and printed it, and then used this design to trace onto the sublimation paper. But hold on, let's use an LED frame to put some light on the subject. Another great use discovered for these LED frames, but more on them in another video. Now, the inverted image is traced, so that when it is placed onto the mug, it will sublimate the correct way around. When finished, we secure the design onto the mug and press. And there you go, a signature on a mug. Whether it is a first or not, it doesn't really matter. You just think of the possibilities with sublimation pens from AM.CO.za. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give sales a call for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.